working. Why is it working?
So Dominic, why are you in there?
I don't know why.
Why are you in there?
I can't do it.
Why are you in there?
No.
Why are you in there, Dominic?
No.
Did you want to just climb?
What are you doing, dude?
Do you need help getting out?
Yeah, I want to get on there.
You're already on there, though.
I want to get on there.
Okay, then you go through that hole. Go through the hole. Go through the hole! Squeeze! 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 No, no, wait, oh.
Got it.
Got it?
Okay, try again.
Okay.
Okay. And why did you do that?
Listen here, Tubelard.
What?
Oh, shit, I almost bumped this bell.
Stop it.
Stop it!
How do you get out?
Well, get out.
I'm not in. Okay, go again.
Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye.